This is our Executive Summary homepage. It gives us a high-level view of the last 12 months of key printing and scanning stats, and a summarization of your top contributing users and printers. Let's start at the top. We've listed your top 20 users by overall volume of pages. Each user is broken down with the volume of pages by the job type itself. As this component is showing the last 12 months, we can filter this page down to see our top user, but over the last month. If we head over to the right hand side, we can expand our filter component to see the available months. I'll select September 2023 and click the filter icon to apply my selection. Applying that filter has refreshed each component to now look at the month of September 2023. We're also given a new, updated set of users in our top 20 users component who are the users who are printing and scanning the most. Let's click on our top user, as that will give us a dashboard drill down into that user's profile. The user profile is a powerful dashboard for looking through job level detail to ascertain more info about what your users are printing. On this screen, we're giving a summary of each active user over the last 30 days. Broken down by their printed colour pages and printed total pages, and whether they are printed in black and white or colour, and the paper size of their jobs. As we want to learn more about this particular user, we can select the option of Show All Documents to see all job level activities for them. Performing this simple action has given us a component drill down of their jobs, and we can scan across this component to see when the job took place, the document name, job type, paper size, and overall volume of pages. Let's close this drill down. As we've navigated to this dashboard from the Executive Summary dashboard, we've preloaded this page to look at an individual user. We can open the user profile to see all users in here by opening the dashboards in the main menu, View Dashboards, and then select the User Profile dashboard. This has given us the same dashboard as before, but now we can see all user activities over the organisation over the last 30 days. Let's perform the same actions as before by clicking Show All Documents. This component drill down can be expanded even further by selecting any of the attributes on screen, such as user email, document size, and paper size. Let's select one of the printer names. This has given us documents performed by that printer, the number of times that document has been performed, and the overall number of pages against that document. Drilling into the document name then gives us a breakdown of the user who has performed that job, along with the number of times that user has printed that document, and the overall volume of pages. On the left hand side of most of our dashboards, you'll see a menu like this. It gives you some quick launches into our pre-made dashboards, along with a QR code leading you to a video on how to navigate this page. So if you ever need a reminder or refresher of how any of these dashboards operate, you can click on this link to learn more. Let's look at the printer analysis by clicking on its name. On the printer analysis dashboard, you can delve into your printer estate by looking at a couple of key characteristics. We're able to use the printer variance component to identify where certain printers are being over or underutilized. If we select Show All, we're presented with all of the devices across our estate that have been performing print or copy activities over the last 12 months. The variance figure uses the average number of pages across the estate and works out a percentage of whether that printer is over or under that average. It's sorted from the larger figures down to the smaller figures. So at the top, we have our printers that have been performing the most, and if we scan down this component, we're able to see the devices that are under that average. This component is really useful for drilling into particular printer makes and then seeing across your estate whether certain printers are being used more or less than their counterparts. So if we click on the printer model, we're able to see all of the devices under that model and compare them against each other. As part of our continual development with Intuitive PaperCut Hive, we have created our daily and weekly stats dashboards. This is a short form dashboard where you'll be able to log in each morning to see a daily summary of what's happened the day before and the last rolling week of data. This dashboard will be available as a homepage when you sign in and is shown as a separate tab that you can select. This dashboard will allow you to see those daily and weekly fluctuations of usage, where you can monitor whether a colour usage is up or down on the previous day and week, the top 10 jobs in those time periods, and a summary of what those printed pages mean, such as the number of reams that will have been consumed, which is 500 sheets to a ream, and the associated number of boxes, which is 5,000 sheets to a box. Be sure to check in with this one each day to see your daily insights.